Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the best sunscreens that work amazingly under makeup. Now, I should have probably done this video back in March or April, but to be honest with you, it took a long time until I discovered products that actually worked really well. I had to try a lot of products. I had to give it time to see how they work under makeup. So I think it's better late than never, right? Let's get into it. I don't like very thick sunscreens that have the white cast, and I don't like the sunscreens that are very heavily fragranced or sunscreens that become very oily. I absolutely despise those, especially for the fact that I have acne prone skin. And although I didn't break out in the last 4 years, heavily break out, I still am very afraid of that, so I'm very careful on what I use on my face. Now, sunscreens basically are being categorized into two main types. So you've got mineral or physical sunscreens, and you've got chemical sunscreens. What you should know about these two, in my very simple words, the mineral or physical sunscreen, it's exactly what the name says it is. It uses minerals, mostly zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, to protect the skin from the sun. Imagine like a bunch of tiny little mirrors on top of your skin that will reflect the sun. Since mineral sunscreens do not really penetrate the skin, they say it's better for the skin and it's better for the environment. I am not a researcher in this area, so I can only tell you what I've read about it. However, mineral sunscreens, they tend to have the white cast. So I guess that's one of the reasons why people are not huge fans of mineral sunscreens. But the truth is, in nowadays, they have created very different formulas than what it used to be back in the days, like very thick white cast sunscreen. Chemical sunscreens work by absorbing the UV rays, converting them into heat, and then releasing them from the body. The chemical sunscreens usually are very lightweight, clear in color, and they do penetrate the skin, and that would make them a bit more effective against, skin aging and the risk of cancer. The most important thing when shopping for a sunscreen is to look for the product that will protect you from both UVA and UVB light, or in other words, the broad spectrum formula. And that is usually the sunscreens that are above SPF 15. Everything that is lower or equal SPF 15, that will not protect your skin from UVA or UVB light. Generally, I would say at least SPF 30 for the face. Everything that I'm going to talk about is at least SPF 30, and all the products are broad spectrum, so that is covered. Okay, the first product that I'm going to talk about is this EltaMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. This is a mineral sunscreen. I bought this at your recommendation. I have to say, all the products that I'm talking about, I bought myself. So I want to mention this because it was not just like products that were sent to me and I tried them and then I picked some of them. I did a lot of research for these. After so many of you recommended this product, I read about it, I bought it, I've tried it, and I loved it. This is white, but as soon as you spread it, you can see that it completely disappears into the skin and leaves a very glowy, not greasy type of finish. And then if you give it about 5 minutes, this actually transforms into a really good base for makeup. So it becomes kind of matte. Why do I love this sunscreen so much? It has a lot of good ingredients for acne prone skin or for sensitive skin. It has lactic acid that really protects your skin from getting too oily throughout the day, and then it has niacinamide, which helps with anti-inflammation, and it also has hyaluronic acid that's really good and gentle for sensitive skin especially. I did try this product with multiple skin rituals that I have, meaning that I've tried it with different serums and different moisturizers. And I have to say, when I use certain serums, like, you know, there are those serums that you apply it and your skin becomes like very, very tight immediately. It doesn't feel like it hydrates, but more like it pulls a little bit your skin. Do you know what I'm talking about? Usually that product, when combined with this, will start peeling. For example, the serum from SkinMedica, I love their cellular lift serum. It's in a gold packaging. I really love that one. I've recently finished it. It gave me that feeling that's like tightening the skin, you know? But unfortunately, it didn't work with this. All the other serums that I have, like for example, the vitamin C serum from Sunday Riley, the CEO, amazing. It works great with this. So it's not about the type of moisturizer that you use under this. It's more about what type of serum, or at least this is what I've noticed on my skin. So let's just say I skip the serum completely that day and I just apply, you know, a toner, a moisturizer, and then I move on with this. No problem whatsoever. Like I said, it makes a really, really great base for makeup, especially if you have acne prone skin or oily skin. Next one is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. This one has SPF 40 and it's a chemical sunscreen. In my opinion, if you are looking for something that is completely transparent, that's completely clear on the skin, that would work perfectly under makeup, no matter the skin type and no matter your skin tone, it will not leave a white cast at all. It is fragrance free, it has no color and no oil. Plus, it's available in Sephora, which I know a lot of you love. What I've noticed, like immediately after you apply it, it just gives you this very, very soft, velvety skin and gets it ready for makeup. Next is a Dr. Loretta Broad Spectrum SPF 40 Urban Antioxidant Sunscreen. I think this is the most expensive one out of everything that I've been talking about. Sorry, it's a little dirty. So when you are applying this sunscreen, it feels very luxurious, first of all. This is a mineral sunscreen. It will leave a very, very thin white cast, but it will get absorbed into the skin pretty fast. And as you saw, it's not white, it has this pink color. I would say maybe this is not your best option if you are deep, rich skin tone. But one of the things I love about it is that it gives that very, very luxurious feeling to the skin. And when I'm using this, I actually don't feel like applying any other moisturizer. So I use this as moisturizer and sunscreen. This will not only protect you from the sun, but it will also protect you from the Blu-ray light, like your cell phone, your computer. So it's really, really a great option for daily use. Just like I've noticed with the EltaMD, if you are using a certain type of serum with a certain hyaluronic acid molecule, I cannot tell you which one, but I've noticed that it does peel. Again, with that same serum from SkinMedica, this product started to peel. But with everything else that I've used, it didn't peel. Just with that one serum. Thank you, Farmer Sun Project Water Sunscreen SPF 50 plus. This is again broad spectrum, and I have to say I've been using this more than I've used anything else. Very, very lightweight formula. It feels hydrating but not greasy. I would totally recommend this if you have oily skin or combination skin, but even with dry skin it would still work. I love how lightweight it is. I love how it's not greasy at all. It never peels on top of anything. Like this, you could apply on top of whatever skincare routine you have, or at least, you know, I've tried it with multiple skincare routines and it never peeled off my face, which I absolutely loved. This is both mineral and chemical sunscreen, means it has a little bit of both worlds. Leaves no white cast. It's getting absorbed into the skin very fast. Like, I would say 2-3 minutes after you apply it, it will leave a very glowy finish, but not greasy. Next is the Bioré UV Watery Essence SPF 50 Plus Aqua Rich. Super affordable product. I actually bought 3 of these because it came in a pack like this. I couldn't find it by itself, like just one product. The other 2 I gave it to my friends because obviously I have a lot of sunscreens to choose from. But this is great. It can be used by everybody, no matter your skin tone. It's a chemical sunscreen. It leaves no white cast. It's so incredibly lightweight and it's amazing under makeup. It's actually a really, really good base for makeup, just like all the other products. Let me show you the finish. It looked white, but actually it has that very, very watery gel formula that immediately becomes transparent once you spread it into your skin. So it has no white cast at all. Next one is this Make Prem SPF 50 Plus Blue Ray Sun Cream. This is a milky, watery formula. Amazing if you are looking for something that transforms into more like a matte finish. So it's great for oily or combination skin type. This will leave no white cast. It will not clog the pores. So this is non-comedogenic. So it's a very milky formula that again transforms into more like a gel-like finish. You could see this type of finish in most of the sunscreens that I chose because these are the ones that I truly like and that I think they look amazing under makeup. Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Airy Sun Stick. This has SPF 50 plus, so it's broad spectrum. And this is the only product that is in this form. Honestly, this is just so easy to apply, especially if you're at the beach. You could reapply this, you know, no matter where you are. It's just so easy, and it's very, very similar in consistency with the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. It's literally invisible on the skin, like you do not feel it. It's so, so lightweight, and also, you know, it's easy to apply it on your neck, on your chest. Like, let's just say you have open shoulders and you want to protect that. Last product I'm going to talk about is this SkinMedica Essential Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 32. And this is the only tinted product that I have because I don't consider this Dr. Loretta to be tinted. It has a little bit of pink color to it, but it's not really tinted. This one really comes with a tint, but it's just so nice, you guys. You could apply this on its own. Honestly, when I apply this, I don't really need to apply my moisturizer because it feels very hydrating without feeling greasy. If you want to apply on top of it your foundation or your tinted moisturizer or just powder, you could. It looks really, really beautiful. It never peels on top of, you know, whatever I've been using, whatever skincare routine I had, it never peeled. It's really, really great if you have sensitive skin or mature skin. It's great if you had any procedures done on your face. It's non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, it's oil-free, paraben-free, and it has one of the highest rate of UVA protection. The only downside about this product is that it only comes in this color. So if you are dark or deep dark skin tone, then this will look a little weird on you. I mean, you saw it does get really fast into the skin, but it has a little bit of tint. So if you have a very dark, like I said, skin tone, then I would probably stay away from the tinted version. These were my favorite sunscreens for you to use under makeup. These are safe and tested by me, and I really swear by them, and I take a lot of pride on my research. Please find them in my description down below. If you choose to buy any of these products, please choose the links in my description box. Let me know if any of these sunscreens you've already used, or you were planning to use them, or maybe you have one that is your holy grail and that I do not know about. I'm pretty sure there are others that are really good on the market. Also, please let me know if I should do this makeup look. This is one eyeshadow kind of makeup look. If you would like to see a tutorial, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! It's been a long time since I've been wearing these. I feel like a hurricane when I blink. It's like I'm a fan.